Okay, so we're out at Floridian. It's this is our home. We're gonna renovate this house. This is the project, let me tell you. Okay, so I'll give you the tour, let you see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the inner sanctum, what's happening here at the Floridian here in Sarasota, Florida. It's my home, and I'm gonna renovate it, and this is the process. So the toughest process right now is actually moving out. I think that's probably the most difficult part because I've been here for over 18 years. So my wife and I. So let's take a look. I'll just give you a tour. You're gonna love it. You're gonna have to use your imagination because there's boxes everywhere. There's crap everywhere. Excuse me. There's crap everywhere. Okay. So there's crap everywhere. I feel my customers' pain. I am so deep in it with moving stuff, and then the fact that we're going to be renovating, that is just killing me. So I'm actually itching. I'm dying to go forward, but I've been held up in plan check, and then had some issues with my architect. Great guy, but he had a stroke, and then he had his computer crashed and lost some data. So I'll go into that in another video. And anyway, any case, I'll show you. I'll give you a tour so you can see the property and see what an old 1941 home looks like here in Sarasota, Florida. Okay, so got to start at the outside. Let me back this up. Let me give you some. Look at that. That's an ear tree right there. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a most amazing tree. And typical Florida, you got one tree nesting in another. I didn't set it up. It just bent this way. So we put up this little post. Got call it the Floridian, and I'll show you why. There's the house. I'm going to be cutting back a lot of this and transplanting it to other locations. So do you see the chimney? You see the F on there? I don't know why, but they've got an F on there. So I guess it's the Floridian. So it makes sense to me. Beautiful home. So it's been added on to a couple times. I'll show you some things that are going to happen around the outside. Yeah, so I think right here I'm going to turn this into just a paved deck area where I can hang out. Technically, this is our side yard. It used to be the front yard. Now the front's over there. So I'm probably gonna just screen that section in because we have so many mosquitoes in the summer that at least we can have a screened front porch section. I'll bump this out, all this hedge here. Look at the roots have done. There you go. Hey, how you doing, neighbor?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, they have torn up the pipes, they raised them up. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. So this tree is immense. I talked to my gardener. He said, not a problem. There's a big hole in the center of this tree. It was going down deep, and decided to go ahead and let another plant get in there. It's not a strangler fit or anything like that. Just a regular shrub. Actually, it's like one of these right here. So, yeah. So we've got some work to do under the house, and just a little bit of plumbing work to do over there. We're gonna fix this porch because this kind of rotted out right here. Now I've owned this home for about 18 years, and a lot of these bad things were done before I bought the house, so they've kind of creeped up over the years. Now we're finally ready to get these things done, so we're going to strip this out. I've actually had this porch replaced or repaired once before, but I'm going to do it again. We're going to get this fixed again. But maintenance on an old house in Florida, you've got to keep that in mind. It's not easy. A lot of folks like block homes here in Florida. I think primarily because they're just easier to maintain. This 1941 home just caught our eye, and the location, we just can't beat it. So the fact that it's got this cool garden and this wraparound porch, that's just great. So love the fireplace. We always use it. So yeah, there's some strange things here, like this bay window. Yeah, bay window is going to come out, and I'm actually going to put the door here. The bay window, it's just got plywood here and 3 individual windows, and then a piece of plywood on top. And I don't know who monkeyed that thing together, put that thing together in some funky, junky way. But the goal is to pull this out and actually put the front door here. That's going to get relocated to the side, and we're going to go underground. The wires, we now have underground wires, and so this line's going to get dropped. And we're going to close that door and that window, make those one. That's going to be one window right there. And then this door is going to become one window and wall at the bottom. And then that's going to become the front entry. Whenever we have visitors, they always go past that door. They walk right up to that door. So I figured make that a window, that'll be an office behind there. And then that'll be the front door right there. So let's go on in. I'll show you the inside. What's going on? There's the garage. Actually, I'll back up a little bit. On this side, so we're gonna put the power is gonna come in right here, and then a little further down, that's gonna be we're gonna have instant hot water, or water on demand, I should say. So I will show you the nightmare. Ready to see the nightmare? So this is boxing hell. This is what my customers go through when they're moving, and I know I don't envy them at all. I really feel their pain. I haven't moved in 18 years. I don't want to move again, unless the house is really nice, then I might move. But I definitely get some moving help. And right now I am clearing out the clutter. So forgive me, it's gonna look a little crazy. But in the end, the next video, when we finish this thing, you're gonna love it. All right, let's go on in. Okay, so here we are. This is moving hell. And I'll give you some tips too. So definitely recommend pulling your books, donating them to, and your clothes, put it all together, things you might need. I'm going to donate this to the church because they can use Financial Peace University. We used to teach Financial Peace University at our church. We've taught it a few times, and at our office as well, and it helped quite a few people that were having trouble managing money altogether. And then there's some other items they're going to get taken in to different organizations, but I'm stripping everything down and piling everything up in one place where the donations are going to go. So I do recommend, don't just chuck the stuff unless it looks, some of the books, if it looks like nobody could ever use this book, just be comfortable throwing it away. Okay, so this is the nightmare, right? You're trying to get rid of things. Got the booze box. It's like, what? I don't drink anymore. Hardly ever drink. So. And then the boxes. So, one tip, you can get boxes on Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes people are selling them. Sometimes they giving them away for free. A lot of the time, when people are giving away the boxes, or they want to sell the boxes online, ask them if you can just take them away. Because sometimes they're getting sick of having them in their garage. Nobody wants their boxes. Nobody's picking them up. If you just ask them, go for it. And the boxes that are most valuable, those, the big wardrobe boxes, try to get the wardrobe boxes. Go after those. I got a lot of small boxes, a lot of different boxes, but you definitely want to get the wardrobe boxes. I'm looking for some right now. I need some wardrobe boxes. If you know anybody, let me know. I mean, this is all being done right now. I won't need them in the future, but if you know anybody right now, next month when this is posted, comment, let me know. Okay, and I'm going to look on Facebook Marketplace. I had to get some more. So, what else is getting done? So after the boxes get packed, I'm using actually Davi Valenti to get this, take the good furniture out. We've got things covered up. We're going to do some renovations on this fireplace. We're going to update that. Going to get the TV up above the fireplace. Nobody ever wants these anymore. These type of cabinets with the TV, nobody wants these anymore. Goodwill won't take them. Nobody wants to take them. You're lucky to get rid of them. I bought this one. See, everything we have in here, it all matched our original house in California. Place in California, and all of our furniture, we thought, well, let's just move and we'll bring it back. We'll bring it over here to Florida. So another tip is get rid of or sell your furniture when you move to the new house. Buy furniture that fits your house, buy it new. Don't store it. So I need some of this furniture temporarily because I'm going to be moving in, moving out, doing renovations twice. I got a crazy plan about renovating and doing windows and doing interior and exterior. So I've got to kind of move in and move out, move in again. So at some point I'm going to get rid of the furniture. So, but a lot of it, yeah, it's all from the other house. And forgive the disaster, but we're moving. This table, actually, I got this at a flea market. It's probably, gosh, it's, I don't know, 60 years old. Refinished it way back when, about 25 years ago. So, yeah, it's got to go. Everything's got to go. So we will end up renovating this. We're going to renovate this bathroom. It's time for an update. Everything needs to get updated, right? And it's ready for this one to go. So, yeah, I'll get rid. We're going to take out the tub because we've been here 18 years and we've only got a tub. We've never had a shower. I never shower in this. We have a second. We have a second shower. Or we have a second bathroom that has a shower. But I'm going to have 2 showers, no tub. I don't see a need for the tub. I'm not going to use the tub. And the other bathroom will be set up. If somebody wants to put a tub in, they can, but I'm not going to do it. So, in any case, so this bathroom's getting redone. Floors are going to get done. And underneath this bamboo laminate, I'm fairly confident that we've got old Florida pine floors. So I'm going to get that refinished. And that's actually something I'm going to get done right away. So, all right. There's so much more to show you. I guess I have to show you in another video. There's going to be more coming on. I'll show you as we make progress, as we do some demo, some best practices, some tips. We're going to reface those cabinets or refinish those cabinets. We're going to get new countertops, and we're just going to update the house. We're on a budget now, so what used to be $100,000 10 years ago is probably $300,000 now. So I'm going to do a lot of the work myself. I got a background in construction. I grew up in construction, so I know how to do it all. So it's not going to be that big a deal. I'd rather help folks buy and sell real estate rather than be doing this. It'll be fun, but it's going to be a lot better if it would be a lot better if I was doing real estate with my wife and with Daria and with Barbara, our teammates. But for now, for this quarter, I'm going to get this house renovated, and I'm going to do some more renovation in the second quarter of the year. So if you want to stick with me and watch my journey as I demo this house and make it beautiful again, over here, all that's got to go. I'm literally I'm in hell with all these boxes and moving, and I just wanted to share that with you. I feel all my customers' pain. Moving's not easy. Been there, done that, doing it again. And I'm going to find some tips to make it easy throughout the process. Okay, have a good one.